Suzy Penaman, who is a Form 2 student and as a Year 2 student at the Adventist Day Senior High School in Kumasi, finally, with the help of Ibrahim Mahama, who is a brother to the President of the Republic of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, Yedenoko UK, say Yankone Nino, Yankosane Yade. I know, say, what this story on the social media space. So, Suzy Penaman, a student of Adventist Day Senior High School in Kumasi, and in some weeks back, Ena Onwan Kasani mate and the Bernard Amoabin edit two eba school muho. Na we don't know what happened and a two ya ema tuno can Suzy any. After this particular incident, and as I'm no cry, I think say a court ama Bernard Amoabin or the two no ko school ma two no koto yeno. Ya granting a bill, but when him say two dear a kenny penia na sem kese and aba. So after that, we saw a video of Suzy and all social media or Srem Wafri Ghana for panning for her and Ibrahim Mahama. Ye President Mahama ninua ejigina mu se obeboa na Suzy nanino omahwe e de ama nti omukofa Suzy free Kumasi de ne ba akra be ye examination ni ade na after examination no ene beto obia se e wo so omde ne ko UK anase India na omukoye ne eye surgery emergency one said de be ya obetimi asen enye nanino bio en ni nyina mu no Ibrahim Mahama ejito ne ho so se obefa ho ka nyina. And with the help of Honorable Francis Asenso Boache and Afi Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa, who is the Foreign Affairs Minister, omone UK High Commissioner no kasa ye bibia tentem emomunya omo visa any bibia right now as I'm talking to you ye the Suzy akwakupim ewo UK ne eye surgery no omokwa akoye. And with this the ebeka say God bless Ibrahim Mahama because say ye nya nipa na asempanimfo omwa akomapa say bi ewo Ghana ye nya say atena. I think say Ghana ye problems brewa ye betimi solve it. So as I'm talking to you right now, Suzy akwako drew UK ni surgery no or corner fi wakwa akoye. And one interesting thing about this whole story ne say Honorable Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa ye Foreign Affairs Minister no or the message I'm a Ghana High Commissioner in the UK says akra no bedra omoma ne high privileges and I say omoma omani nkone ho omoma ne special treatment said the beya obetimi a recover them ne surgery ni bibia ni stay in the UK ebeye comfortable for her na watimi asen aba Ghana abeto na disua. So God bless Ibrahim Mahama because adena why no Charlie enyu bia ne betimi aye. And this is not the first time I hear who say why bibia ti say consistently who say issue bia ba country we ma na wasori aginem na waboa. God bless Ibrahim Mahama.